5:17 is the time. A live look at a very quiet downtown Spartanburg on what could be a record-setting Wednesday.
Yes, we need the echo today. It's going to be a wild one, Fred. Getting up into the mid-80s later today, and if we hit 85, that would tie a record high temperature. We'll be in the upper 70s in the mountains, and with that heat of the day, the overall setup is going to be tough to get storms to develop, but the few that are able to form could have some strength to them. So we'll keep an eye on that this evening. Better chance of rain overnight going into early tomorrow morning. That's just ahead of a cold front. And that front's going to bring in some much chillier air that will settle in by Friday and will stick around through the weekend. Well, satellite map right now actually looks pretty good. You can see how earlier clouds have moved on out. So we've got mostly clear skies where we are, but just out to the west, extra cloud cover, even a couple of showers in East Tennessee that have had a chance to develop. So we'll see if those are able to work their way into the western North Carolina area. But for now, mostly dry all around. Farther to the north, you can see that there's some active weather making its way southward through West Virginia, but this is where the cold front is located right now, so it's still pretty far away from us, but that will be on the move today, and that will arrive during the first part of Thursday. So for today, the main story is going to be the warmth. We'll see a lot of sunshine early on, and then clouds will build in the afternoon hours. Rain coverage should be on the lower side, but again, anything that is able to develop is going to have a little more energy to work with. So wouldn't be surprised for a pop-up strong to severe storm in just a few areas later tonight. And then late overnight going into early Thursday, the front moves in. It's going to have a lot of rain with it. Most likely a line of thunderstorms that will work through the mountains. And then the question is that line of storms able to hold together to work through the upstate? I think at least some of that rain will. And then we'll see drying conditions taking place by Thursday afternoon. As far as rainfall estimates go, again, for today, rain coverage stays very low. A lot of us won't get any rain at all. Much better chance of that going into early tomorrow morning ahead of that front. Winds right now, mainly out of the west and southwest, and that's really helped to keep our temperatures up overnight. I mean, we've got 60s on the map across the upstate and into northeast Georgia, mainly low 50s right now in western North Carolina. So expect the warmth, mid-80s today, a chance of a pop-up thunderstorm, better chance of rain going into early tomorrow morning. Still 80 on Thursday, but only 63 for the high on Friday. Looking ahead into Easter weekend, Easter Sunday is going to feature a lot of rain, it looks like. And there's a mountain forecast, upper 70s today, some rain and storms on the way for late tonight, 70 and windy on Thursday, and much chillier for the end of the week and into the weekend. All right, Tatiana, how's